La 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 la, life goes on. In a couple of years, they home the home sweet home. In a couple of years, running the yard of the smart and Molly Jones. They're in the marketplace, all the children and Desmond stays at home and does a pretty face, and in the evening she's the singer with the band. All that goes on, la 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 la, life goes on. All that life goes on, la 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 la, life goes on. And if you have some fun, say Oblada. Back to you, Ma'am Shiki. Malibot.
Diretso na ini, Sir Conrad. Wow, thank you so much, Nay. Yan, ira. Pirehe. Gusto rin yung ko pero sa kaliwala lang po din yan. Ipanumpa ko na. Nakakitan ko. Mag-iunan sa atong maabi mo kita. Oh yeah. Magkadayo kaysa gumako na lumpaka. Kilit gibiyan ikaw mayagilan. Orang dagwan mo kung sasamin daw magawa. Kay gikumot-kumot on sa adakong kamot. Ang tubhan mong pagkadakot dako sa guma. Kay gikumot-kumot sa adakong kamot. Ang tubhan mong pagkadakot dako sa guma. Ipanumpa ko na nagtaguhan. Mag-iunan sa atong abi mo kita. Magkadayo seven eyes kaysa gugma ko na lumpaka. Kilit gibiyan ikaw mayagilan. Unang dagwan mo kung sasamin daw magawa. Kay gikumot-kumot sa dakong kamot. Ang tubhan mong pagkadakot dako sa guma. Kay gikumot-kumot sa dakong kamot. Ang tubhan mong pagkadakot dako sa guma. Kay gikumot-kumot sa isa gabi ka oras kagtuwa. Ako na to. Okay.
Alright.
Oh yes. Lay, last song. Ay, alas 10 na. Tapos makita. Ay, abaw. Ay, abaw. Naayo.
Last song.
Last song. Sige, matindog ako.
Okay.
Tinko
She was afraid to come out of the lumber. She was nervous as she could be.
Oh yeah.
She was afraid to come out of the lumber.
Oh yes.
She was afraid that somebody would say 2, 3, 4, tell the people what you want. Was on bitty bitty witty yellow polka dot bikini that she was all of her start to play. And itty bitty witty yellow polka dot bikini, so in the dark she wanted to stay. 2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more. She was afraid to come out in the